Hey guys, today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do this villager make and outfit and hair. Basically, this is the first of September now, so it's the first Hallomeme of this year that I'm filming this year, 2018. This is the first video in my Animal Crossing Pocket Camp series, because I'm a fake fan and haven't played the real game. So I'm going to start with like the main characters, and then I'm going to move on to the animals, and just in a random order. It's going to be more naturally kind of looks. If you want more like full face, like animal transformation, face paint and everything, then let me know. But for now, I'm just doing the natural-ish, glam-ish kind of looks. The looks, I'm recreating their eye looks basically for all the animals, and that's pretty much it. Want to learn how to do the villager? This is my villager. Your villager may look a little bit different, but the make will all usually be the same. So then, watch this. I got this, I forgot that I'm not doing a voiceover. Probably, maybe, I don't know if I am or not. This shirt is from Hot Topic. It's checkerboard. The skirt is from Kohls. It's $20, or it was $20 when I got it. I don't think it exists anymore. These are from Spencer's, and these shoes, I don't remember where I got these. They're Nikes. That's the fit. Alright, for the hair, mine has the little gothic Lolita Rose hair thing, basically space buns. So you have to brush out your hair. I've already brushed out my hair this morning, but if you have naturally curly hair, it tangles in approximately 5 minutes. So as you can hear, there's already knots forming. I'll try and evenly part this as possible.
They say I can sell anything.
Every time I see Chloe, she's wearing different pants.
Hair, you put it way at the top. Way at the top. Take one of these. Super tight. There we go. And we're gonna take a bun. I used one sock and one actual shaper because they're closer to the same size than the two bun shapers that came, because one was smaller for some reason, or that came in the package, and one was bigger. So I'm gonna do these upright to make them even like standing up like that, but I don't want to. It's like a bigger bow right here. So it looks a little weird without the bangs, but that's okay. You can also do just sloppy buns, like just do buns, but I thought this would make them closer to the same size, and they're still uneven. But anyways, there's like a big bow right here in it, and then I put two little bat bows on the actual buns. The neat thing about villagers is they're just you, but cuter, or you but better, however you want to say it. So it's not too much. There's not too much make. This is what I use to prime.
They're always boxes. Yeah.
I'd like to try to sell something to you.
Alright, next step is more primer. So I'm gonna prime the eyes with this Avon True Color eyeshadow primer.
I'll holler, Mr. Beale. Please sit down.
Gutters, we back, but we ain't left the tray, homie.
That's done. Next is just foundation. But it's just gonna be very neutral. You don't even have to do it if you have like, oh, I forgot, this is my other foundation twists open. This one doesn't. So I'm gonna put that foundation in light porcelain. Pale with neutral undertones. I'm not as red as I look. It's the red is on the outside for me, I think. Make sure you aim that directly down. Okay. I'm using a beauty sponge. I need to clean this really badly. That's probably why it's like. Anyways, this is medium to full coverage. Oh, I should use my concealer first. Oh. Which is why I'm using it. To become a perfect little Animal Crossing villager with no blemishes whatsoever. This dries down really quickly, so you have to work in one area at a time. Usually I would do the dot, 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 dot. You guys know how it be.
You rollin', Jay's making plays on the beat. Skate in the street while I'm smoking a spliff, man, this shit is some shit, take me right off my feet. Water the sheet while I'm taking.
In between that, I'm going to do some concealer, because I know this is buildable to full coverage, but I don't want to just keep building it. I'm going to use some concealer first, and then go back in with it, because I don't want to just keep on layering and layering foundation. For something it's not meant to do, it's not meant to conceal. That's why we have concealer. You can tell this concealer isn't light enough for me. This is the Avon liquid concealer. I don't really like it that much, to be honest.
In a trip with my brother Sufo, he say rolling with two hoes. He view black like Boobo. Shouts out to the group home for killing my mood, bro. Dead. Anyway.
Oh, I should have put some more. What was I thinking? So I'm just gonna move on. You don't really need to contour because they already have such round faces, especially not your cheekbone. Alright, I was gonna go to the eyes now, but I'm gonna move on to that iconic nose because the eyes are kind of optional. So, the iconic nose is an orange little triangle. You can just draw a triangle, or if you want it to be more of a natural look, which is what I'm doing, because I'm just wiping it off right after. You can just do like a little bit of an orange, kind of contoury kind of thing. I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by Beige Cosmetics. $18 in Ulta. What a steal. Look at all these colors. Not sponsored. Lace brush. Go in with a little bit of an orange. I'm gonna go with this top one. Just gonna dip my brush in there. Tap it off a bit. just go like that. You just kind of make like a sunburnt kind of effect. Like how you would do a highlight, do that in orange. You can do this with face paint, you can do this with an orange highlighter. I don't have either of those things in orange. Outdoor in. Africa, outer in. Okay, out. For the eyes, I'm using the Avon palette in Not So Neutral. Not sponsored, but my mom sells it. One with this light color here. They don't really have names. Or wait, do they? No, some Avon palettes do have little names on the back.
I'ma get back on my shit. You say steady barking like you looking for pics with a piss on whip.
Either a black or dark brown liner. It looks more brown to me, so I'm using this copper shade. I don't know what it's called. It's just Mark on the Edge Hookup Liquid Liner. The shade is like copper or something. So you have a little flick of eyeliner.
Into your dome, bury you underneath your home. Surfing on couches like I ain't got no mother. Ask me where I'm from, I'ma tell you the gutter.
We're using the lips now. They have like kind of brown lips, so I don't know if I should use Nudie Patootie by Wet n Wild, or because it's not really nude, it's like a brown, or on me because I'm super pale, or if I should use my Dose of Colors one. This is not real Dose of Colors, it's a knockoff Dose of Colors, but sometimes it dries a really pretty brown color, sometimes it dries like a dark purple color. So we're gonna see if it dries the really pretty brown color today, which I don't recommend this, it's super sticky. And if it does, then I'll use that, and if not, I'll wipe it off and use the Nudie Patootie. The Dose of Colors wasn't working out, so we just switched to Nudie Patootie. So this is the finished look. I hope you like it. Villagers look kind of weird.
Asthma, the stunner, my ex is a bummer. Ask me where I'm from, I'ma tell you the gutter.
Coming to you live from a sleepless mind. Young Sifo talking to you, a small place without time. Tripping shit, still because I wanna dream and think of shit. Kiss a bitch and spit a bar, split a guard, smoke it sick for the tar death wish. Little bitch from the tray, we next bitch. I hit, shut up, I is little lunchbox. Knock your socks off a pop off, rhyme so hot, it'll get a bitch's rocks off. Vomit on my enemies, Young Sifo is killing me. My physique, baby, wildebeest, my mental on that skinny piece. Sweet cheese, that's me, I am God, but that's me. Got a trees with me, gang, 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 yeah.
I have seen the face of God.
Gang, 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 yeah.
It does make me right.